Hello everyone, I wanted to quickly highlight this awesome AppExchange component that I've used a few times in different orgs called PopUps. It's super versatile and you can use it to notify your users, warn them. As you can see, there's this toast message that you can have pop up. This one's an error. You can have success ones. You can have warnings. You can also just have it pop up with like a message, as you can see here. And then you can also surface screen flows, and that's super powerful, and it's super configurable, easy to use, and less convoluted than a lot of other methods that you can get this to work. And so I'm just going to show you on this test org real quick. So I've set it up. As you can see, there's no visible component here, but I've set it up so that if we change it to the type technology partner and save it, it's going to do this pop-up here. And so you could put anything you want here. You could even create a screen flow and have it surface on field change. And then you can also validate it. I'll show you the component settings here. You can even set it to validate based on a true-false field. So here you can set the component visibility just like any other page. You can make it play a sound. You can have different durations of the toasts. You can make the toast dismissible or just persistent. You can even make it expire, but super versatile. So here's the optional criteria I was talking about, where you can use a Boolean field to like specify if this should appear, and you can go into the screen flow and everything that you set it up with. So it's super versatile. I've used this recently on an org to help a client who's using events have a screen flow to create an opportunity pop up based on a field change, and then as well Boolean field, a checkbox field. And if that was checked, then the component would not be visible, and so they would know that they've already created an opportunity based on the screen flow's completion, because the screen flow would check that box. And it's just super versatile and customizable and a lot less clunky than other solutions out there. So I hope you can use this component in your orgs, and thanks for listening.